Hey everyone, this is a question from medium category, that is a container with most water, that is two pointer or greedy approach, like we can use these things. And it is mostly asked in Google, Amazon, Microsoft kind of top MNCs. One of the most common visual or intuition based questions. So do concentrate on this. So welcome back to Logic Unlocked. Today's question is one of those that looks simple but needs sharp thinking. It's Leetcode 11 container with most water, and we'll solve it with pure logic and two pointers. Problem statement is so simple, that is you're given an array. This is an array, and it represents the heights of the vertical lines, which are imagine drawing these lines on the x-axis. Now pick any of the two lines, and the area between them becomes the container. So the area between these two lines becomes the container. And your task is to find the two lines that hold the most water. So great. And we need to find those two lines which holds most water. And this is like real life visualization. Like imagine placing two sticks vertically on the ground and pouring water in between. Okay, imagine this as a stick, and you have placed it vertically, and you have put inside some water in between. Which two sticks will hold the most? Not the tallest always, but the widest and reasonably tall pair. Okay, got it. Intuition would be like two pointers approach. You might think of brute force, checking every pair, but that is big of n square. Instead, let's go smart. Use two pointers, one at the start and one at the end. That is like left will be at 0 and right will be, as you all know that, uh, it will be going n minus 1. N is the height. Okay, size of the height. And calculate the area, that is the minimum of height of the left, and the formula is like width. We'll be putting here width formula, that is like height of right into right minus left. Move the pointer pointing to the shorter line, hoping for a taller one. Why? Because moving the taller one won't help. Height is already big. Width is reducing. So here the point is we need to store a lot of water. So we need to be somewhat greedy. But moving the shorter one might give you more height and still decent width. So that's the thing. And let's get into the code. So let's get into this code. So you are given an array of height, where each value represents the height of the vertical line. And the goal is to choose two lines such that they along the x-axis form a container that holds most water. So area between any two lines at the indices will be like left side and the right side. We'll be taking I or j, or we can consider it left and right. Here height will be the minimum height of left and right. We'll be finding the minimum from left and right. Then the width will be considered as right minus left. So as you all know that area formula, here the simple thing, area formula is applied, height into width, and we'll be finding the maximum of max area. We'll be comparing it with max area and height and width product, because to avoid the negative values. See, if height of left is less than height of right, then we need to increase the left. Else, if left is greater than height of right, then we'll be reducing the right, so that it will be giving the maximum area. At the end, we want a greedy approach of maximum area. And let's quickly run this code. Yes, it's all done. And this is the thing. And the time complexity will be big of n, and only one pass using two pointers. We have used two pointers, and that's the thing. And space complexity will be big of 1, that is a constant extra space. So let me know if you want this kind of questions more and more. Just comment down. Thanks for watching